Okay, so everyone, welcome back again. Can you hear me now? Okay, this time, can you hear me clearly and can you see me clearly? If yes, please text a 1 in the chat box. I'm going to wait. Yes. Okay, great. Great. Sorry about the poor connection. Okay. Actually, just now I would try to see whether it would get better or not, but it seems that it doesn't work at all. Yeah. Okay. Hello, BTS. Hello, Xinyan. Yes. Okay. So please, get back here in my class. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to wait a little bit more here. So you can continue with your drawing on the paper. Okay. How are we going to draw out the problem? Yeah, finally. Good. Thank you so much, Xinyan, for supporting me here again. And you too. Yes, BTS. Okay, the rest of you, is everyone good here with the connection? Hello, hello. Please text 1 and let me know if you are there. Okay. Yeah, I cannot see a lot of people. Like Wanqing and Wanru. Okay, no good. Are you sure? Okay. Just 4 people. Yeah, only 4. Uh-huh. Okay. Eugene, is that okay? I think it's okay here. Yeah. You can refresh your website again, I hope. Yeah. Okay, we see one more student here, one more kid here. Okay. Okay, so okay, so let's continue, shall we? Test is 6 to let me know you're ready the second time. Okay. Yes. Okay. Are you ready for the next half? Okay, Xinyan, good. Yes, Iman. Okay, good to see you back here. Okay, good, Iman. So now, everyone, let's continue. Otherwise, we cannot finish the lesson. Okay. So just now we talk about using 2 different shapes to talk about the 2 characters in the question. And after that, we still need to draw out the rest of the people. So just now we talk about the people in between them, which is 3. Okay. And now let's continue. Counting from the front. Here, Eddie stands in the 9th. So how many circles do we need to draw? Yeah, we need to draw 8, right? And actually you don't need to draw 8 of the circles. You can draw 1 circle and then we use 3 dots, dot, 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 and to show you that we have more in the middle. And we draw another circle. And here we now know it's actually 9, right? Okay. And let's continue counting from the back. Okay. Vera is the 17th. So again here, that means on the right of Vera is the square now. How many circles do we need to draw? We need to draw 16, right? Because altogether we have 17. Vera is the 17th, right? So she is included. So here we have 17 people. So here, let's take a look. Now we draw out everything. And the problem is we need to find out the total number. Okay. So can you tell me how can we write down the equation here? All you need to do is to add up all of the numbers, right? Here we have 9 and then plus 3 and then plus 17, which makes up, yes, 29, right? 29. So here, don't forget to put the 29 here in the blank, okay? So that's really cool. So what we did just now, actually we are doing pretty much the same as what we did last time. So the drawing method, the same here, decide direction and draw the characters. But here, the case is different because we have 2 different characters. So pay attention here. Use 2 different shapes to talk about 2 different characters. And again, mark the numbers in question and write down the steps. Try your best, okay? So this is challenge number 1. And now let's continue with the next challenge. So here we talk about the dogs. We have 2 dogs, Jia Jia and Jian Jian. So they're in the middle of a queue, and Jia Jia is in front of Jian Jian. Pay attention, okay? This is also very important. We need to know the position. and there are 5 people between them. Counting from the front, Jia is the 15th. And counting from the back, Jian stands in the 12th place. So what is the total number of people in the queue? So you can see exactly the same, right? Quite similar. So now I give you like 2 minutes, okay? Take out a piece of paper again and try to draw out a picture and write down the steps and tell me the final answer, okay? So I'll give you like 2 minutes. Do not jump into the answer. First, write down draw the picture out, okay? And then tell me the steps and also the answer. 2 minutes, go. Okay, 1 minute. Do not just give me the answer, but instead give me the drawing and also the equation. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, time's up. If it's blurry, so please you can adjust the settings. Okay, I think it's on the top right corner, the 3 dots, and then you can change the resolution ratio. Okay, into like 720, yeah, p I think, or maybe like 1080. Yeah, you can change the resolution rate. Okay, so let's continue. Actually, draw the picture out. It's quite easy for you. So decide the direction with front and back. And also, again, how many characters do we have? We have 2 characters, right? So here, write down a triangle and also a square. And this time, the triangle is 佳佳 or 简简. Yes, okay, actually it's 佳佳 because 佳佳 is in front of 简简. So pay attention. So this is 佳佳 and this is 简. Okay, pay attention. And then we can continue with that. So there are 5 people among them. So how many circles do we need to draw in between them? Yes, actually we need to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 5 circles. And then let's continue counting from the front. Okay, so we count from the front. 佳佳 is the 15th. So that means how many circles are there? Yes, it should be like 14, and all together here we have 15, right? Because 15 is include 佳佳 here. And from the back here, 简简 stands in the 12th place. So that means here we have 11 behind him, and that means altogether we have like 12. So for this one, how can you calculate the final answer? Yeah, the total number. And of course, you add up all of the numbers, right? So here the total number, which is 15, and then plus 5, and then plus 12. And the answer is, yes, what we get is 32. Okay, 32. And are we done here? Are we done here? We are not done, right? Okay, because you still need to tell me the answer. So don't forget about the answer, okay? The total number, is 32. Okay, 32. So yes, very good, Xinyan. You remember that, okay? Don't forget the answer in the end, okay? So well done with challenge number 2. So now you can have the Ferris wheel, okay? So award time, you can pick one character and let's see what we can do with the character. ABC very quickly in the chat box. Yeah, because we are running out of time. Because of the poor connection, we pause a little bit here. Yeah, Xinyan, here we choose B, right? Okay, yes. Pretty Ching and Wanru, you're back here too. Thank you. So here, oh, rest for 30 seconds. Okay. So I will make it shorter into 20 seconds. Okay. Yeah. You can scratch your arms and also drink some water if needed. Yes. So yeah, prepare with the next round. Okay. Yes. Now I think everything is good, right? With the clear face and clear voice. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, so now let's go back here. After the Ferris wheel, we're going to another place. So let's take a guess. What place are we going? So this time we're going to do something exciting. Okay, you'll be really fast on this machine, on this, event. Okay, and it's like you're turning around and around, and maybe after that you will throw up. Have a guess. What are we talking about? Okay, any ideas? Let's take a look. Ta-da! It's the roller coaster. And yes, okay, caster roll. I think it's the same, right? Roller coaster. So actually, you are too small, okay, to play it. Okay, but actually, we can imagine playing it here in Jimson's class. And of course, before we go inside, take a look. So Pat Jimson appears. If you want to play, answer my questions. So, again, please answer my question. The final question here. So now let's take a look at challenge number 3. So here we have Eddie and Vera are in the queue, counting from the head. Okay, so it's actually the same with the front. Okay, so Eddie stands in the 14th place and counting from the tail. Vera is the 16th. Okay, and then let's take a look. It's known that Eddie stands in front of Vera, and from Eddie to Vera, there are 10 people. Pay attention. Here we have from A to B. So what is the total number? Okay, what is the total number? Okay, so for this one, I'm going to leave you alone. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute only. Yeah, I think it's a little bit tight, but actually it's okay. Try your best to draw out the problem and then write down the steps and then give me the correct answer. Okay, so 1 minute. You do it by yourself on the paper. Don't forget to draw the pictures. Ten seconds. Okay, I'm sorry, but time's up. Okay, it's okay if you didn't finish that. Okay, because it's quite short about the time. So let's follow the steps and think about the problems. Okay, so first of all, decide direction. So I hope you can draw out the direction, which is front and back. Of course, this time you can draw head and tail. And again, here we have 2 people, right? Use 2 different shapes. Okay, and here we have the triangle and also we have the square. And this time, tell me, which one is Eddie? Which one is Eddie? Yes, Eddie stands in front of Vera. So that means the triangle is actually Eddie. Okay. And the square is Vera. Okay. And then let's take a look at the rest of the people. Here, counting from the front, counting from the head is the same. So Eddie stands in the 14th. So I think you're very familiar with that, right? So here there are 13 people in front of him, and altogether we have like 14. Okay. And then here, counting from the tail. So here Vera is the 16th. Okay. So you need to draw out 15 circles, or maybe you do like that. Okay. A circle, 3 dots, and a circle. And altogether we have like 16. Okay, 16. Okay. So here is the very important question. So there are 10 people from Eddie to Vera. So among them, let's take a look. Here, how many people are between them? So how many circles do I need to draw? Okay. So I give you some options. 8 circles. B, 9 circles. And C, 10 circles. How many circles do I need to draw? A, B, C. Yeah, do not jump into the answer first. Okay, follow my logic here. Follow my logic here. How many circles do we need to draw? Okay, very good, Yuxun. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, actually not really good. Okay, I make a mistake here in the answer. I mean, like, how many circles do I need to draw between them? Between them. Okay. Yes, very good, Ayman. You did a very good job. Actually, we need to draw 8 circles. Okay, 8 circles only. Why? Because now we are talking about 10 people from Eddie to Vera. Still remember when we talk about from and to. So Vera and Eddie should be included. So here actually there are 8, okay, in between them. And that means all together here, okay, from Eddie to Vera, we have 10 people. Okay, so now we need to find out the total number. So just now, I think some of you will do something like, okay, now I know the total number, easy, right? We add up all of the numbers, 14 plus 10 plus 16, which equal 40. Is it correct, everyone? A for correct, B for not correct. A or B? A or B? Yeah, look at the picture on the screen very carefully. It's actually not true, okay? And also, it's not 42. I'm sorry, because just now I see some of you type at 42. Okay, so here, actually, 40 is not correct. Why? Look at the picture carefully. There are 2 people counted twice, right? You can see the line here. Okay, when we talk about 14, we counted once. And when we talk about from Vera to Eddie, we have 10. So here we have twice. Okay, and same here about Eddie, about Vera. We counted twice. So here the total number, what should we need to do? What should we need to do? Think about it. Yes, we need to delete the time we count, okay? So here we use 40 and then minus 2, okay? And actually, the correct answer is like 38, okay? 38. So actually, I think Xinyan is the first one to get the correct answer. And also, we have Ayman this time. Very good, okay? Yeah, so actually, the correct answer is 38. Make sure you draw the picture out. Once you draw the picture, it's very clear. It's very obvious. Everything is there on the picture. All you need to know is to observe the picture, know the question, and then do the calculation. Okay? So congratulations. Yes, very good. So now I see everyone can do that. Yes. So if you understand all of that, please text a 6 in the chat box and let me know. This is actually the last challenge we have. Okay? Make sure you do it carefully. Yes, very good, Xinyan. Good job. Okay. So as a reward, now let's enjoy the ride. Okay. I'm going to give you a very real video about taking a roller coaster. Okay. So please do not blame me about putting you in a very exciting or maybe even dangerous situation. Okay. Because in real time, in reality, you cannot try anything about the roller coaster. You're too young to try. Okay. But in Jimson class, you can watch a video and enjoy that. Okay. I hope you are prepared for that. So are you ready? Okay. So let's take a look And we are on the right now. Are you ready? Wow, here we go. Yeah. Okay, it's real fast. Okay, okay. Make sure, okay, it's only a video. I hope everything is okay here, okay? Yes, okay. Don't worry, it's just a video. I don't know how you react to it, okay? DC, okay, yeah. So feel good about it, okay? Because actually it's a video. I hope you can enjoy some of the joy, hopefully the joy, okay? Yes, okay, good, okay. So that's the end here. As the reward, please, okay, here, choose ABC, okay? Choose a character you like, okay? ABC. Very quickly. Okay, okay, me too, another place. That's good, okay. Yeah, we choose C, okay. So now let's take a look here, C, okay. So take the challenge. Okay, actually, we are not doing the challenge now. So everyone, listen carefully. I have some new challenge to you. So here, ta-da, take a look. Here we have the entrance examination for our short-term math class, okay? So here is the time and the date, okay? It's on next Saturday, which is in evening. Here we have like 45 minutes from 7:15 to 8 p.m. Okay, and we'll do this on our Think Academy classroom, which is online. Okay, and you are going to be tested about some questions, among patterns, among calculation, and about logic reasoning and the word problems we are doing now. Okay, so are you ready to take this challenge? I think some of you are not willing to do that, but I hope you can try. Okay, so if you can try, text a 6 in the chat box and let me know you are willing to take up this new challenge. Okay, so please, I really hope you can try. Yes, very good. Okay, Xinyan, really good. Okay, yes, very good. Pretty Ching and Wan Ru, that's good. Okay, and actually, this entrance exam will get you qualified in our free math classes later on. Okay, so I hope you can prepare for that, and Jimson is always there to help. Okay, so last but not least, please, okay, ask your mom and dad to come over. Okay, today we're going to talk about another bit of the queuing problem. So think about from, to, and between, and. Okay, actually the drawing method is more or less the same. Okay, so please ask your mom and dad to come over. I'm going to talk or share something with your mom and dad. Okay, so if they are there already, text 1 in the chat box. I'll be real quick because I have the next class, which is still on at 8:15, I think. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, yes, 宇勋妈妈已经在旁边了啊。Okay, good. 安本妈妈也在旁边了。Okay, good. So actually, just now, I mean, like last time, we talked about using pictures, drawings to help with the kids' math problems. So actually, here we have one more thing. In order to know more about the drawings, actually, we have different kind of drawings according to different grades. For example, like in very young stages, like year 1, year 2, year 3, it's always good to use some real things, okay, in our life. For example, the magic cube, something that that the kids can touch, okay, 食物的部分, okay, 食物图. So you can actually draw this out. For example, apple, draw the apple out, something like that, okay? And after they grow up a little bit, actually, the segment graph can be introduced. Okay, the segment graph can be introduced. So actually, it's also very helpful. And then here, if here he enter a higher level, here we have the Venn graph. I'm not make a mistake here. Okay, I think. So actually, it's something like this. Okay, Venn to the Venn. Okay, I'm not sure about the name. Sorry. Okay, so pay attention to use some of the graph and diagram to help the kids with that math problem. Do not rely on counting. Yeah, I know it's hard, but I hope everyone can try, okay? Try to encourage them to draw the pictures out and do some drawing while they are solving the problems, okay? And of course, it's okay if they cannot write down the steps, because some of the mothers told me it's hard for the kids to write down the equation. 很难去列式计算. Actually, it's quite okay. But what I hope is that you can try to encourage them to do so. Okay, even though they will make a mistake, even though they cannot understand totally after you tell them to do again and again. Okay, be patient. Yeah, leave it to me. Okay, you can ask me for help if you didn't really solve the problem here. Okay, yes. And last but not least, let's take a look. Just now I mentioned we have the entrance exam for the short-term math class. So actually, after the training camp, we will have an entrance exam, because we'll base on the different points, different marks in the entrance exam. We will have better classes. I mean, like we will divide the students into different classes. Okay, so it will be better for my teaching here. So remember to schedule the time. It's on next Saturday, which is September the 17th. Okay, and if the time is not available, please PM me. Okay, give me a private message and I'll see what we can do about it. Okay, it lasts about like 45 minutes, from 7:15 to 8 p.m. Okay, and the platform will be on our Think Academy classroom, which is an app. Okay, make sure you have the app. I think most of you have the app already, right? And the content will be about patterns, calculation, logic reasoning, and word problems. Actually, what we did previously, okay, in our training camp and also in our TMC examination, but not as difficult as the one we have in the TMC examination, okay? And after the entrance exam, we'll have free math classes provided, and we'll have the classes for a very long time, like 8 lessons, and each lesson will take about 1 week. I mean, not the whole week, okay? 1 class per week, okay? So actually it lasts like 2 months, I think like 2 more months also. So it will be better if the kids can join us in our free math classes, okay? So I think everything is okay with all of the information here, okay? So show me a 6, please, okay? And let me know. Yeah, you understand every detail, okay? And if you don't understand anything here, you have any questions here, please remember to talk to me in the WhatsApp, okay? Yes, very good. Thank you, Iman's mom and Xinyan's mom, Jennifer, Yuxin's mom. Very good, okay? So I'm sorry, here is the end here for today's lesson. No time for the bye-bye song here, okay? So I'll say goodbye to you, and we'll see you on Friday, which is our last class in the training camp, okay? So kids, we'll see you on Friday. Remember to come to our last class. Okay? So we see you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, kids. See you on Friday. See you on Friday. Okay, bye-bye.